The following tutorial will explain how to complete the upcoming online registration process that will be completed this year through Skyward Family Access. In order to do so, go to www.mapsedu.org and you'll click on the top icon, which will bring you to Skyward Family Access. Once you get to Skyward Family Access, you're going to log in with the credentials that were sent to you along with the Skyward registration information. This first screen is going to be a screen that only staff members see, so disregard this. But what you will see on your end as a parent is the following. Each of your students will be listed in the main area of the screen, and you will need to complete the online registration electronic packet for each of your students. Once you click on the first student, you will see a series of online forms that had been in paper copies in the past that will need to be filled out. Some of these may look familiar to you because they had been sent in the paper packets in the past. You'll want to start by clicking on the first packet and filling in any of the areas that require information. Continue through by clicking on the prompts until you see a green check mark next to each one of these forms indicating that the form has been completed successfully. If you have something come up and need to close and finish at a later time, you're welcome to click the following button below. And once you've completed everything, this button will change and you will be able to submit the information in full. This process will allow our secretaries and the district to get all of your students' information effectively and efficiently back to the necessary people, and it will also save time for everyone and hopefully be a more efficient process in the future. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call Central Office at 715-536-4581 and ask for the Technology Department. Thanks so much for your support and have a great day.